So here's the fastest and easiest way you can achieve a studio quality sound for your meditation recording. So here I am in my palette project. I have already done a sample 1 minute meditation recording. Let's take a listen.
Take a slow, gentle breath in and slowly breath out. Allow your body to soften and relax.
So as you can hear, the sound is quiet and there's some background noise there too. So what I want to do, I want to remove, get rid of the background noise completely, and then I want to make this entire voice recording louder and more polished. So then I can use that to finish my guided meditation projects. And to do that inside Palette is absolutely simple. All you have to do is you have to select your recording, and then you come down on the left side called Studio Sound in this gold border, and once you selected it, all you have to do is to have to click on this button, and the rest is being taken care of by Palette. So Palette is gonna denoise, remove the background noise, it's gonna level the audio, it's gonna make the whole thing louder and better quality for your guided meditation project. So there you go, it's done. And as you can see already visually, the waveforms looks much larger, which means the audio is louder as well. So let's take a listen again.
Take a slow, gentle breath in and slowly breath out. Allow your body to soften and relax.
Okay, there you go. So you have now we have our recording, and in order for me to use this, all I have to do is to click on Save to Library, and it's gonna save it to my private library, so I can bring that into my guided meditation project and start using it. So this tool is absolutely free. If you want to access it and use it for your own guided meditation, you go to palette.audio, create your free account, and if you click on this, and once you create your account, you will be directed to this page, and you click on voiceover to create a voiceover project. You can record and upload your voice, and then after that you can use the studio sound to remove background noise and use it for your guided meditation.